Okay, if you're here, that's because you got number 7 wrong. So let's make sure we can figure this out. This is a percent concentration of volume over volume. Once again, you can look at the equation for this on your periodic table on the inside, on the left side. And it can walk you through the algebra, or if you like the circle, we can use the circle. Now, I know my writing kind of sucks, but the circle, if you remember, we had solute. The last problem was grams. Let me erase this. In this one, it won't be grams because this problem specifically tells you it's volume. So that would be milliliters. All right, so it's solute in milliliters. Once again, because of volume over volume. They're a little different for each one. All right, over solution, which will be milliliters also, because that's V over V as well. All right, so get rid of this so it's not quite as hard to see. What we will do now is read the problem. How many milliliters of 30% solution? So it's asking for the solution. So let's cover up what we're asked for. We'll use a heart again. We are asked for the solution. So we're going to cover this up. And then we're left with solute in milliliters divided by percent. So can you make if you have 200 milliliters of bleach to add to the water? All right, so what it's saying is you're gonna add your 200 milliliters of bleach to your make a 30% solution. It's asking you how much water essentially you're going to add. So I take my 200 milliliters, all right, and I have, because I covered this up, I'm left with 200 over 30%. But math-wise, 30% is really 0.3. And I end up with 200 divided by 0.3 is, I did not mean to do this, so we'll just round. It is 667, sorry about that, 667 milliliters. All right, so you can make 667 milliliters of 30% bleach if you have 200 milliliters of bleach to start with. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky, but just use your algebra skills if you have them, or use the circle to figure out what thing needs to be found, cover it up, and that will tell you what math to do.